Hey YouTubers, good morning, Robb. Guys, today we're making a fish sauce. You know, I don't think anybody on YouTube makes more canned fish video recipes than I do, except for maybe Chef Buck and Camera Girl. I was watching his channel the other day and he made another canned fish recipe video and it was super. And he made a little sauce and I'm going to make his sauce today. This is going to be Chef Buck's sauce. What we got here is some grilled mackerel and on the bottom is some grilled tofu. This is extra firm tofu that was put in the freezer, then was thawed out and squeezed. It was marinated and put on the grill, and later on I grilled the canned mackerel. Very simple. I've never had this before, but it looks very simple to make. We're just going to add a nice big old spoonful of Greek yogurt. Yasu kalafkaristo. That's all I remember of my Greek. A little bit of horseradish. This horseradish sauce I don't use very often. I looked on the retest date, or the eat by goodbye was February 2022. So it shouldn't be using it. On the other hand, the way things have been going, I'm trying to ignore the last 2 years that really happened. So it's still good. I didn't have any regular mustard. I don't know what's the matter with me. And he didn't put any relish in his. But if you don't put any relish in your sauce, where in the world are you going to obtain your high fructose corn syrup? So unsubscribe. Dare YouTube. I don't like this. So we're going to mix this up. No paprika, no cumin, no kangaroo juice. It's just horseradish, yogurt. You know what? I take that back. Let's add just a smidgen, just a drop, just a wee couple of drops of lemon juice. Now this is getting thin. This is not the original recipe. Buck and the Colonel would be upset, I think. But I think it's going to be fine. Let me taste it. The horseradish has a nice kick. The lemon juice was unnecessary. Now, since I'm the only one eating this, I won't have to rinse off the spoon. Oop. Without the lemon juice, I think you're going to be fine. All right, guys, take care. See you out there. Go check out Chef Buck's channel. I feature him down at the bottom of my channel with a bunch of other people, so you might want to check them out too. All right, take care. See you out there.